The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 336 in effect until midnight Sunday. This watch includes the following counties in South Dakota: Bennett, Butte, Custer, Fall River, Harding, Lawrence, Meade, Pennington, Perkins, Shannon, and Ziebach. And the following counties in Wyoming: Crook and Weston. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, broadcast radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.